Good morning, students. Yesterday we are learned about the Indian currency and we written it the numbers into words and words into numbers. Now today we are going to learn about the converting of rupees into paise. How can we convert the rupees into paise? For that we have to know about that converting method of rupees into paise. For that one, first we have to know how many paises are there in 1 rupee. 1 rupee equals 100 paise. So, if we convert 1 rupee into paise, then it will be 100 paise. Likewise, if we convert 5 rupees, then it is 5 into 100, then it is 500 paise. Like this, we have to convert the rupees into paise. Suppose if we get that 3 rupees 75 paise, 3 rupees 75 paise, which will be converted into paise. Then we have to convert it as, first we have to take this 3 rupees, 3 into 100, it is 300. Then what is the paise? That is 75 paise. Here we have to add this one with this 300 paise. Now 50, 5, 70, 7, 3 means there is no number, then it is 3. It means the total paise is 375 paise. When we convert 3 rupees 75 paise into paise, then we get the total paise of 375. That we get 375 paise. Like this we have to convert the rupees into paise. Now, suppose we get that 8005. It is the paise. It is paise. Now we have question in paise, but we have to change it into or convert into rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. Then we have to make that simply when we take this much 0, 5. Now, what we did? That after 2 words, 5 digits, we have points. Already we know that after 2 words, we have a point because the paises are always in 2 digits. Paises are always in 2 digits. If we get 3 digits, then it comes under rupee. If we, that is a 3 digit, 375 paise. If we convert it in rupees and paise, then simply we have to put point here. Simply we have to put point here. Likewise, here 8005 paise is there. Now we have to put point after 2 digits from right to left to right. That is 5, 0 and point. That is after 80 we have to put point. Then we say that 80 rupees, 80 rupees and 5 paise. Simple. In rupees and paise there is a difference. If rupees paises are always in 2 digits. Paise will show will be always in two digits. So whatever number we get, to convert the rupees, convert into rupees and paise, first we go to left side and right side, then count two numbers and then put one point. After that, whatever number will be there, that is called as rupees, and after point it is paise. Like this, we have to make the conversion of paise, rupees into paise and paises into rupees. Now we go for exercise, that is 5.2. By doing 5.2 exercise, I will explain how can we convert the rupees into paise and paises into rupees. The first question is exercise 5.2. Convert each of the following into paise. So, first one is rupees 6. Rupees 6. It means we have to convert it into paise. What I told, that is 1 rupee equals 100 paise. Then simply make it that 6 into 100, it is 600. It means here it is 600 paise. Like this. Second one, rupees 20. Rupees 20. Here 20 into 100 equals 20, then put these two zeros before that. It is 2000 paise. Like this, we have to do the third one, that is 7.80. Rupees 780. Rupees 780 paise. That is 7. Simply move that point and put the answer. That is 780 paise. Because after removing that point, we include the whole number, that is 780. 700 means 7 rupees into 100. That is 780. It is always there. Already there, then it will be 780 paise. Then fourth one, ₹8 40 paise. ₹8 40 paise. It means 840 paise. Like this, we have to do the questions. Again, fifth one, it is in double number. That is rupees 26.40. 26.90. There is no problem if we get 2 number, 3 number or 4 number. It never confuse us, because after removing this point, we can simply write that is 2690 paise. It is like this. Like this, you have to convert the rupees into paise. Now, second one, that is convert the following into rupees and paise. Convert the following into rupees and paise. First one is ₹8,005. 8,005 paise. It means after 2 digits, that is 1's tens, we must put 1 point, that is 80.05. Then it is the converted into rupees. Now we have to write it as rupees 80, that is rupees 80. Here we have given, and 80 rupees plus and 5 paise. Because there is a zero below, after that before 5, then it will not have any value. That's why we are saying that it is 5 paise. Now second question is 153 paise. 153 paise. It means rupees 1.53. Then 1 rupee and 53 paise. Like this, we have to write the paises, convert the paises into rupees and paise. Now we go for addition of money, or we will complete the 3 questions again in 5.2, that are C 260 paise. 260 paise equals rupees 260, then 2 rupees and 60 paise. Then fourth one, ₹1,640 paise. 1,640 paise. It means we have to put in the same way, that is 1's tens, after tens we have to put point. It comes as rupees 16.40. It gives as 16 rupees and 40 paise. The last 2 questions will be left for you, that you will try it in the home. Now we go for addition in money. How can we add in money? How can we add the money? How can we do the addition in money? That is addition in money. There is no difference of addition, but in this we put that is the symbols of rupees and paise. Only that much of difference we have in this addition. If we have add 35 rupees 23 paise and 12 rupees 57 paise. Then we have to add them. These two numbers we have to add. Then simply put rupees here and paise here. Now that is 35 and here it is 23. Again 12, then 57. Now 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, it is 8. Then 5 plus 2, it is 7. 3 plus 1, it is 4. Like this, we have to say that rupees 47 paise 80 paise. Rupees 47 80 paise. Like this, we can say that adding is the same, but we have to put the symbols before adding the numbers. Now we go for exercise 5.3. That is exercise 5.3. In that, some addition works are there, questions are given. First one is add the following amounts by converting into paise. First question is add the following amounts by converting into paise. In this question, we have to convert the amount into paise, then we have to add them. Then first question is 49 rupees 75 paise and 9 rupees 65 paise and 9 rupees 65 paise. As I told earlier that when we get rupees, then simply add it 4975. It is paise. 4975 paise. And second one is 9 rupees 65 paise. Then simply put 965. So these are converted into paise. Now these are converted into paise. Now we have to add it. Now we have going to add it. The 5 plus 5, that is 10. 1 carry, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, it is 14. 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, it is 19. 1 carry, 4 plus 1, it is 5. Like this, 5,940 is the paise of 49 rupees 75 paise and 9 rupees 65 paise. This is the answer. Like this, we have to add. First, we have to convert them, and then we have to add it. Now, second one. ₹64 6 paise. 64 rupees 6 paise and 36 rupees 9 paise. 36 rupees 9 paise. As we know, that is, paise are in single digit. The paises are in single digit. So we have to make it them double. We have to make it them double. Then we have to take that 64.6. That is 6%. Automatically it is called as 6%. In tens place we have to put 0. In the same way, that is 36.9%. 9% means it is 0.9. Now we have converted them into, we have written in a figures. Now we have to convert them into paises. Then simply remove these two points and simply write 6406, then 3609. Now we have to add it. 6 plus 4, 9, it is 15. 1 carry, there is no other than 1, then we put it 1. There is no number other than 1, then we have to put 1 as it is. Then 6 plus 4, it is 10. 1 carry, then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. It is 10,015 paise. Like this, we have to convert the given amount into paise and then we have to add them. Then we go to question number 2, that is given in a addition method. Add the following amounts. Second one, add the following amounts. Now first question is rupees and paise. It is given in a columns, that is rupees and paise. Now first one, 53 rupees 63.5 paise. Then second one, 39.78. 39.78. Make it plus. Then 5 plus 8, it is 13. 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, it is 14. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, it is 13. 1 carry. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, it is 9. Now we have to say that 93 rupees 43 paise. As a given in the between the numbers point, we also put a point in between these numbers. Then go to second one, that is 283 rupees 56 paise. 283 rupees 56 paise. Then second one, 49 rupees 84 paise. 49 rupees 84 paise. Now we have to add it. As we shown that plus symbol, we have to add it. That is 6 plus 4, it is 10. 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, it is 14. 1 carry. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, it is 13. 1 carry. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, it is again 13. Then 1 carry. 2 plus 1, it is 3. After 2 digits, we have to put a point which shows that it bifurcates the rupees and paise. Like this, you have to do the questions of question 2, that is C, D, E and F. I will show the F1 because it is the 3 columns sum. I will show one of that one, that is F rupees 684 684.55 paise. Then second line 189 rupees 65 paise, 189 rupees 65 paise, then 9 rupees 7 paise. 9 rupees 7 paise means 9.0 and 7. Like this we have to write it and add them. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, it is 17. 1 carry, then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, it is 12, 12 plus 0, it is 12. Then we have to put 2 here and 1 carry, then 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 9, it is 14, 14 plus 9, it is 23. Point 2 carry, then 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, it is 18. Then again 1 carry, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, it is 8. So we say that 883 rupees 27 paise. Like this we have to add the given amount or money.